Baka gumagastos ka ng malaki para lang sa earphones, hindi mo na kailangan dahil may budget-friendly at amazing quality. This is the 7Hz Salnotes Zero, and it costs less than 900 pesos. Hi-fi quality sa budget price. Let's check it out. So unboxing muna. Packaging feels premium already. Diba? You get the earphones, extra ear tips, and a braided cable. Metal build feels solid in the hand. Solid siya for music, movies, kahit anong device na may 3.5mm jack. Now, sound quality. Grabe. Hindi mo aakalaing ganito kaganda tunog ng earphone na ito sa presyo niya. Bass mo ramdam mo, vocals clear, at hindi masakit sa tenga kahit matagal gamitin. Sobrang sulit talaga. Kung naghahanap ka ng pure listening experience, eto na yon. Link below. And kung kailangan mo ng version na may mic, nakalink din yon.